Indian campus. Greetings to you all. Myself, C. Mokshita. I am studying 4th standard. Flag.
Textbook or notebook actions. Come on, start.
Flip the page. Page-ni tippadam.
No, wait. One by one. Let they repeat that.
Flip the page. Page-ni tippadam. Flip the page. Page-ni tippadam. Flip back the page. Flip back the page. Page venuka tippadam. Page venuka tippadam. Skim through the pages. Skim through the pages. Page-lu tippadam. Page-lu tippadam. Dog ear the page. Dog ear the page. Page chivara madata. Page chivara madata. Tear the page. Tear the page. Page-ni chimpadam. Page-ni chimpadam. Clear out the page. Clear out the page. Booklo nunchi page chimpadam. Booklo nunchi page chimpadam. Turn over the page. Turn over the page. Page అయిపోయింది. Page అయిపోయింది. Press the page. Press the page. Page-ni నలపడం. Page-ni నలపడం. Thank you. Signing out. This is Mokshita.
Clap, sir.